This is something that most people really don't understand, that life is not a competition. It's not about how many cars do you own, or it's not about wearing expensive clothes, or it's not about how big is your house. Not saying money is not important, but at the end of the day, when you're done with it, it's all about your purpose in life. Because every one of us has a unique and gifted qualities inside us. And neglecting it is the only reason that you are desperately chasing money, chasing people, chasing happiness. But the moment you understand your purpose in life, you don't have to worry about money anymore. You don't have to worry about what other people think or say about you, or you don't have to worry about relationships. Because you are creating a momentum in your life to attract wealth, positive energy, right people, happiness, and so many things. And your purpose in life is million, billion, trillion times precious than anything. So find your purpose, because you can be everywhere.